for Just Nailed It, and I am here with a package that I received. I got a big old package in the mail today from Tammy's Manny's. Drum roll, please. So we are going to open this bad boy up. Got this size so it conceals her addresses. I have not looked. Aww. Thank you, her say. Thank you. Thank you. I have got my first birthday gift and my first birthday card. Thank you, Tammy. I appreciate this so much. I'm going to set these aside. I will open these live March the 15th. So Tammy had a monetization watch time giveaway, and everybody went balls to the walls for her at the end, and I was one of. And she just put her she just put her video up of who won. She didn't like have me in the same category. She had a lot of women watching her, especially there at the end. Let me turn it this way so I'm not preoccupied by looking. She had a lot of women watching her there at the end, and she didn't count me in. Kinda like, I don't know, whatever. So we're gonna open this up and see what Tammy sent me. She's texting me right now. We're talking. So if I get sidetracked here a little bit quiet, that's what I'm doing. I'm answering her back. Oh, we got lots of things in here. Oh, Tammy. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got little ones too. Let's see, what are these? Oh, look at the pandas. How cool. Oh, we got some. Oh, look at that. It's the purples. Purples. I'm not going to open these up because we'll be here forever. With nail foils, it's not just one strip in there. They all have a couple. And I want to go through all of this. Oh my god, this has got puppies. It looks like foxes and owls. Look, oh, whoa, sorry to stick it right up in your face there. Look at that. Looky, looky, looky. Okay, I'm gonna put that together and scoop these up. Where's my little foil? Oh, here it is. My baggie. Oh, gotta keep this together. Oh, these are stars in all different colors. God, I'll need those. I can think a few times in the year that I will need these. Thank you, Tammy. She is my bestie, that is for sure. Oh, Tammy's my bestie. I have probably 3 really women that I'm really close to, and she's definitely, I'm close to Tammy. Look at the butterflies. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Oh. Oh, these are butterflies. I know you can't tell, but they're butterflies too. Oh. I'm going to be pulling out this stuff now, so. Oh, I need these. There's shamrocks in all different colors, 4-leaf clovers. Oh, look at there. How beautiful is that? I'll be using these tomorrow. Or, what is today? Today's the 3rd. I got plenty of manicures to do. Plenty of manicures to do. These are... I have to open these. Because I think I know what they are, but I'm not 100%. Ooh. Ah. Whoops. These are little, oh god, what do you call them? Oh. I don't know what to call them. Tammy, what are these called? Leave a comment down below. What are these called, honey? Because I don't know. Oh, yes. We got some glitter. We got some glitter. Let's see if we can put some of this stuff away here that came out of the package. Oh, I can't wait to look at the glitter. Glitter, glitter, chicken dinner. Oh, it's winter, winter, chicken dinner. It could be glitter, glitter, chicken dinner. Well, I'll save that for last. Wait a minute. I'm a little confused. Okay, these are the things I don't know the names of. These are my stars. My... I can't think what you call it. 4-leaf clovers. This is number 6, it says. Let me see what's in here. 4-leaf clovers right here too. This is an iridescent glitter mix. It is beautiful. It is hollow. A hollow 4-leaf clover mix. Oh, thank you, Tammy, so much for my goodies. It is a joy to be your bestie, to be your friend, to be your nail sister, to be the recipient of this gift. I appreciate it so much and I love you. Congratulations on reaching 1K and becoming monetized. Woohoo, girlfriend, woohoo! Well, this is the end of my video. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you.